Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the name on your XM account if you need to update your personal information or correct your account details. We will walk you through how to request this change safely. Let's get started. On your XM dashboard, we go to Settings. We can get there by clicking this mini profile icon. Just click on it. From here, click the Settings option. Under Settings, click on Personal Information. Then, under Personal Information, click on Personal Details. Now, if you have a verified card or a fully verified account with documents, you can request a name change by clicking the drop-down here. A prompt will appear allowing you to edit your personal information. Simply submit your request to make the edit. Once it is approved, you will be able to update your date of birth and any other personal details. Since we do not have a fully verified account to show you, we cannot demonstrate this part. But if your account is fully verified, the option will appear here. That's it. You now know how to change the name on your XM account. Always make sure your information is accurate to avoid any issues with verification or transactions.